growing palm trees from seed. Today we're going to show you how to grow palm trees from seed. We are going to take you through our step-by-step process of how we have grown countless palm trees over the years, different varieties. We do it the same way, and if you keep on watching, you can see how long it takes for these seedlings to emerge, and we will also show you some of the older palm tree seedlings we have. And we hope you're going to enjoy this video, and if you do please continue to watch the video, subscribe, and give us a like, share with your friends, and keep growing.
What? What? Take one time. Yeah.
Here we have the green palm tree seeds sprouting. It has been 2.5 months since we planted these seeds, and they are slowly beginning to come up. Palm trees usually take a while to grow from seed, but with all the different methods, we have found that the best thing to do is just put them in a pot with soil, and eventually they'll come up. Just make sure to tag them. And for that, of course, we have our permanent plant tags. You can check out the video for how to do so. These palm tree seedlings were planted from seed about 4 to 6 months ago, and of course we did not put a plant tag down, so we don't know what variety they are. But if I remember correctly, there's some sort of small plant that we've spotted on a bike ride, grabbed some seeds, brought them home and planted them. That's how it usually goes around here. This is a date palm grown from seed. Here we got 2 palm trees grown from seed. I'm pretty sure these are queen palms. They're probably about 3 years old. Here are a couple more palm trees grown from seed. I'm not sure which kind they are. They could be date palms. I'm not so sure. And we have some in here. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe. Plus visit us at Treetops for more tips on how to grow without pesticides and synthetic fertilizers, how to grow from seed and cuttings, and how to grow on a budget.